few video lessons ago, I looked at the main bass riff from I'll Take You There by the Staple Singers. Now this features a really great bass groove by a session player, David Hood. This song features the famous Muscle Shaw's rhythm section and really has that Stax Records sound to the song. Most of the song just consists of a 2-bar bass groove repeated over and over again, but there's a really nice melodic feature for bass about halfway through the song, so I'll show you that and the main groove in this video. You can pick up a complete note-for-note transcription of the bass line from I'll Take You There. That's in standard notation and tab, and you can get that by clicking the link below this video in the description. First of all, let's look at the main bass riff. Now, I'll Take You There is just over a C and an F chord, so we play this bass riff over and over again, and apart from the melodic bass feature, all we do is just play this riff. I'll play that main bass riff for you now. So that's the groove. When I looked at this a few lessons ago, I actually wrote, okay, G, G flat F, but a few of you pointed out is actually A, G, F. So I think that's more accurate than this. Now you can use the open A or the fretted A. I'll play it with the fretted A. You've got to shift down to the F and back to the G if you do that. But a lot of you might prefer that. Okay, but I play it with the open A's. So I play it like that. You don't have to shift if you play the open A's. So the first bar starts on C. Okay, so 1, 2 and 1, 2 and. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, again 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So you can see there that we play on beats 1, we don't play on beats 2, and we don't play on beats 3. Okay, we play on the ands. So this is how we subdivide the bar. Okay, you can see there all the counts above it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, and those notes are G, A, C, A, G, F. Okay, so in that bar we've just got C, G and A. Okay, that's down to F, 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 and then G, A, C, A. So the rhythm in the second bar is a bit easier. We've just got 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. Okay. Okay, so practice that main groove because you use that for most of the song, and either use the open A's or the fretted A's. If you're enjoying this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And if you click the bell and select all, you'll get notified as soon as I release a new video. The intro is 5 bars long. We just start on the C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. F, C. Okay. 2, 3, 4. F, C. Okay, so that's quite easy, that intro. I've actually featured this bass riff in my Meister bootcamp. That's a video course. It's got 20 bass riffs in it, accompanied by 20 bespoke live drum loops. Okay, so the idea is that you learn these riffs and you also learn how to develop them, how to improvise the riffs, add in muted notes, change it up slightly the way that you do at a gig, and you get to practice with these really great drum grooves. Details of this course are on my website, gbshed.com. Just look at the products tab at the top, or you can click a link below in the description, or you should be able to find more information by clicking here now. So let's look at the bass feature. I'll play it for you first. I'll play the first 4 bars. Okay, so we start on E. Okay, that's the 14th fret of the D string. Play it there. You can play it there, but I think it's better here because then you can go up to that A there. Okay. So we're doing a quick note. We're actually just doing A, G, okay, 14 and 12, but we're doing a quick grace note up to the A, so a hammer on like that. Okay. And you just play that hammer on 4, 4, 1, 2, 3. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then here we've got another hammer on. So we just do E to F. Like that, okay? And we're just coming down here, octave, 5th, root, okay? Alright, we could play it here. Okay, but I preferred playing it here. We're in the same area as the bar before. Okay, you can slide into that F if you want. Like that. Okay, or hammer on. Okay, it's a bit tight up here on a P bass, but it's very durable. Okay, you just have to make sure you have your fingering pattern correct. Okay, after that, we come down here to A, D, C, G, C. So again, that down there is the same pattern as here. Octave, 5th, root. So we play A, D, and then A, C, C. Okay, play the whole thing. If you're finding that really tricky, just leave out the grace notes. It makes it a lot more playable and you don't really lose that much detail. With the grace notes. Okay, and the second line is the same apart from the last kind of bar and a bit like this. And then back into the riff, okay? So the last 2 bars. And then C, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and you're back into the riff again. So that's all of the bass feature. When you're playing it, make sure you kind of sustain the notes, get some nice tone on the notes, and play it the same way as you think, you know, if someone was playing a melody or singing a melody, you phrase it nicely. So you give the full note values and really bring this section out so it cuts through the band. After the bass feature, we've just got a chorus round and round, the kind of outro, and that's just the original groove, just played round and round and round, and then the song fades out. So that's the whole bass line. Remember, I've written it all down on the PDF. You can download that by clicking the link below this video in the description. I'd love to know what you thought of this video. So I really like that kind of bass feature is really nice. You might have to work on that a bit. But yeah, let me know below in the comments. And if you know any other really cool bass grooves that you want me to look at, then write that also in the comments. Don't forget to help me out by liking and sharing this video and also subscribing to my channel. And if you felt you got value out of this lesson, you can always buy me a coffee. They're $5. The details are on the bottom of the screen here, or you can click the links below in the description. Also check out my website, it's gbshed.com. I've got bass courses, books, my membership there, details of my private lessons. So check that out, that's gbshed.com. This is Greg from Greg's Bass Shed. Hopefully see you very soon in the next lesson.